Today I shall try making a chocolate tart from the man himself, Anthony Bourdain. I have had my struggles in the past. Oh!
This was gonna be easy, Mitchell! You said it was gonna be easy!
But that ain't gonna stop me. Welcome back to Bourdain.
Everybody should know how to use a knife. Use everything, waste nothing. Let's start at the beginning. It ain't that hard, okay?
We are learning to cook with Anthony Bourdain's Layout Cookbook, doing every recipe in here for the first time. You know the deal by now if you've been with me. We are going to make a chocolate hazelnut tart. I'm going to take some liberty here and tweak the recipe. Grab Anthony Bourdain's cookbook, if you'd like, in the description of this video. Let's get making a dessert. So we begin with our tart dough. I decided we could do two angles. I could do a lot of research. I could do the exact way to make a basic tart dough, or I could use my ingenuity, my intuition, and try our best. So we have our ingredients here: a cup of pastry flour. It's freaking, not pastry flour, it's regular flour. Gonna get rid of the crumblies, just give it a quick whisk. Next, a half cup of sugar. I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt, okay? Boop, ba-doop, boop, bow, pea. Now, whisk that, I suppose. Trying to keep everything nice and cold, okay? Go in with cubed up cold butter and 1 egg. Now let's pastry cut this up with a pastry cutter. The goal is to keep everything cold and don't fret about the clumps. We have adapted, we've gotten better from last time. I'm gonna dump it out into our table and try to form it into a ball. We're gonna add another egg, okay? Eat that over there and pound that in. Again, the goal is to work kind of fast. Keep everything nice and cold. Now, I guess at this point I'll ask for help. If you know an easy, basic tart dough, please fire away. Let me know. This is like okay, but kind of a bitch. We're gonna plastic wrap this up and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Bourdain's gonna have us use nuts of the hazel variety, and he would just have us put them straight in the tart. I want to pulse up half of these nuts. So 70 grams of our hazelnuts. They're already toasted, which is nice. Pulse them up, try to make a nut butter. Never did that before. I don't think that worked. So I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg. I think that would be sexy. Just capitalize on the whole nut thing. And then we're gonna add some avocado oil. It's neutral. I need something to paste this up a little bit more. Just a dab. We're getting there actually. Ooh, it smells heavenly. I'm gonna work on this. And now our whole hazelnuts, I'm gonna chop up a few and make them a nice like crust crumble. Okay, I'm happy with that. So, we're gonna let our tart crust chill for an hour. It's probably got 45 minutes left and we will come back to that. We are back. It's not rock solid, but that's okay because I remember last time it was hard to move. It was hard to maneuver and roll out. Another little pinchy pinch across. And something I wanna do actually, reserve like a chunk to put around our crust. Leave these off to our side and roll. Okay, get our pie crust on. Put this in the middle. Boop. And take our pastry cutter, which is totally just a knife. And I'm gonna utilize these strips here to reinforce the crust. Here we are. We got some irregularities, a little thicker on that side, a little thicker over there, but I'm okay with it. From what I looked up now, we should pierce the bottom because we're going to fully cook this thing. And it goes back in our fridge for 15 minutes. Isn't baking just lovely? Whipped cream is easier than I thought, not gonna lie. It is whipped cream. It's cream that you whip up. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. Probably just about however much that was. And we're gonna whisk this up. Wow, we whisk. Comment of the week from a member on the channel. Thank you for your comment, my friend. The videos might be coming out a little slow, but I am still here in the background, barely keeping my balance. If you wanna possibly be featured in a comment of the week, join as a member or just support me with $2 for a coffee. Any bit helps. Aluminum foil helps it keep its shape. from what I gather. And this helps it from not puffing up. Beans. This is gonna blind bake for about 15 to 20 minutes till we get a nice browning on the edges of the crust. Ideally, we want it to be a golden brown color. Then remove the aluminum foil and take out the nuts, the beans, whatever they are. Put it back in the oven for 10 minutes until we get a nice color there on the bottom, and put it in the fridge to chill. Here's the tart shell. It's okay. I think it's under in certain places, but let's make our hazelnut filling. We are going to get 2 cups of heavy cream in a small pot and up to a boil. I'm just gonna get it to a scalding hot, simmering, steamy temperature. Then we add that to 8 ounces of dark chocolate and 3 ounces of softened butter. Let that hang out for a few minutes. Then we add our yolks and mix this well, stirring in the hazelnuts and the hazelnut paste, peanut paste, the hazelnut paste mixture. Pour this into our tart shell. That will do its thing for 2 hours. It's a busy day for me. We're gonna have to do some movie magic and test it out and come back here. And we're back in the future, but I recorded this in the past. It's amazing. I have another video to your right. I really want to just cultivate a message to cook. That's it. F***ing cook. You don't have to get roasted on the internet like me. You can nail these recipes in your home little tiny kitchen, wherever you are.